Dispute errors on your credit report. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume disputing errors is time-consuming, complicated, or costly. The surprising truth is that both DI and professional options exist at reasonable prices, making it possible to correct inaccuracies efficiently. DI dispute solutions are typically free or cost for templates and guidance. Professional services usually charge per month, offering automated disputes tracking and support across all three major credit bureaus. For example, a Vermont service might automatically identify errors, submit disputes, and notify you of results, saving hours of paperwork. Successful disputes can remove negative entries, increase your credit score, and improve your loan and credit card options. Most people get this wrong by assuming the process is too difficult. The real value comes from using tools or services that simplify steps, track progress, and provide results without frustration, giving you confidence in your financial standing. In conclusion, disputing errors on your credit report is a cost-effective way to improve your credit. By selecting the right solution and understanding pricing, you can correct inaccuracies efficiently and maximize your financial opportunities.